Hello, my name is Emma. Today I will talk about Around the World in 80 Days. Fogg lives in England. It is 1872. Fogg is reading the newspaper with his friend Stuart. There is a gentleman thief. Fogg says he can travel around the world in 80 days. They make a bet. Fogg starts traveling with his servant Passepartout. A detective fixes Fogg thinks he is the gentleman thief. He follows them. In India, they save Mrs. Auda. They travel together to Hong Kong. Passepartout gets separated from everyone. He works in the circus in America. Fogg finds him. They travel to England. Fix arrests Fogg. Fix was angry, so Fogg is free. Fogg thinks he is lost the bet. Mrs. Auda asks Mary Fogg. Passepartout tells Fogg he isn't late. Fogg and Mrs. Auda get married. Bye bye.